Fuck. I'm back. All right. Welcome back. What the fuck? Huh? Alright, it's... I just don't... Oh, fucking hell. It says 0 frames dropped, but it disconnected, but then it came back. At, like, full health. Whew, fuck, I'm sweaty. I am sweaty. Alright, I think it's good now. Whew, fucking hell. Where's my music? iOS, RS, MIDI files. Oh my god. That was not fun. So mad. Alright, it's perfect now. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, fuck. Shit. So maybe now we can actually get started on doing... Actually, no. Fuck it. I need to... It's emergency booze that lives in my desk drawer. Oh. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Can you send the description soon, please? Which description? What are we... I'm confused. I'm confused. Alright, let's, Wait, is that you, Akuto? Ah, right, it is. Haha. Yeah, see, as soon as you reminded me, I was like, huh. I need to, I think, let me look for a description somewhere. I swear I have one in there already. Or, like, when I submitted the... True. True, true. Server description. The official Prismatica Dev Learning Hub Discord server. Yeah, that's not very descriptive. I swear there was one that I wrote somewhere. You know, I'll do it after the stream. I'll do it after the stream. All right, it's game time. It's game time. Let me just turn my speakers down. And then we can actually get started. Holy shit, that took so long. King Yoli, what are your thoughts on Unreal Engine 5 after using it for a bit? I feel like Lumen Nanite great and work well, but I don't think they're game ready. Curious to see what your opinion is working more of an industry route. I think... Well, see, here's the thing. I don't use Lumen or Nanite. For those very reasons. Also, because I think they're a bit overkill for what I'm doing. But... Yeah, without Lumen and Nanite, Unreal Engine 5 is basically just Unreal Engine 4, but with up-to-date support and more cool stuff, like meta sounds, you know, things that actually do work and are nice. That's kind of my whole perception of it at the moment. It's just like, yeah. It's like the engine version. Now, what was I doing? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I need to get RuneScape open. But yeah, in terms of like stability, it's I haven't had any issues with it. Also, I changed the splash screen on the thing, you know? Go me. Duck and Duck has another place. Yeah, I saw Dist was talking about it. Because he wants to do like a triple cleric team. Because the cleric has this busted ability called Judgment, which just like deals a flat amount of damage. So if you had like 3 of them, it would be fucked up. Maybe we should play some. How long's it go for, Kudo? Are you... Yeah, so you are gonna play it? Clayman, how's it going? Hello, hello. I'll wait for you to say something just so I don't start talking and say nice things before you actually in the stream. You are here, okay. How's it going? How was your stream? If anyone in my chat doesn't know, Clayman's working on a very funny physics-based melee game. It's very good. It's very lit. What was I doing? I just started my stream, so I'm like still... I had like internet issues, and now I'm just... Yeah, I'm so frazzled. I need to like get in the groove. I need to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. Getting ass kicked by bugs. Are they good or bad bugs? Are they like the enemy went flying because of physics jank kind of bugs, or are they like an item that I picked up disappeared from existence kind of bug game? Okay, yeah, fair. Damn. They didn't say anything about end time. Hopefully it's going to be long enough for me to play it, 'cause this PC is the best. When do you get back? Or like when do you have your PC again? It'll probably go for like 2 weeks. I think the last one was for a week and then they extended it, or was it 1 week and then they, or I don't know, I can't remember. Elgia, using Nanite by any chance? I'm not using Nanite. I'm raw dogging. We are using the good old LODs. We're LODing. ODing on L's. I'm on the 12th. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Very cool. Alright, I'm just gonna pick my nose for a bit, and then we're gonna get started. Also, Kroom, thanks for the, Oh, wait, where's the... What am I... Ah. Well, there we go. Okay, so... What are you gonna play as? I don't know. I don't know. I didn't play the last playtest, so I'll be going in blind, basically. You choose for me. Also, keep in mind my internet isn't the best, so like I need something that doesn't die super quick. Alright, what are we... Inventory component doesn't exist anymore. Does it? No, because... Yeah, no, this isn't real. Because that... Yeah. Just... Yeah, you're fine. Just... Yep, 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 yeah. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Rogue? I mean, Rogue's what I'd usually play, like glass cannon type shit, but I don't know. Oh, okay, that was not good. Ah, the classic 2-in-1. Alright, let's just get this here. So, what we're doing at the moment is making the game multiplayer. How exciting. Actually, one more thing we're gonna do is just get the... What's it called again? The capture. And just set that... Why are there two of them? What the fuck? Just set that to none? Hopefully it doesn't... Okay, no, that's good, that's good. Wait, where... Can't I, like, force that... What? Why are you up on that screen now? You shit. You shit. Alright, so if I put this one here... And then... Close... And then open it again... No! Bruh. Okay, what if I close it here? Fuck. Alright. Alright, let's just... Alright. Advanced settings. Game viewport settings, blah 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 blah, don't care, don't care. Second thingo. Multiplayer viewport size in pixels. Let's go... Shit. What's a good number? Can I do math in here? Divided by 2? That'll make it small. I wish it would, like... No, don't go up there. Fuck. Okay, oh, there we go. Now it's staying there. So if I now change the size... And then... Okay, no, well, at least it's in that position. So now if we... Make it big. 720 times 2. That one times 2. And then... No... So I probably just have to give it more space. Okay, let's make it squarer. So that it can fit on play. Divide or multiplied by 0.6666. 960. And then, hey, okay. That is something. Still a bit small. Also, what's that getting angry at? Update Scaly Mesh, Merge Handler. Right, because it doesn't have... Yeah, because objects aren't replicating yet. We're also going to work on some animations today. I'm going to start doing some loc of motion. The old yoke of motion. Alright, that's perfect. Except I want it to go there. And I want you to go there. And then... Yeah, we can do that a bit more. Finally. Okay, we're set up to test the Moldy player. Cool. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, that's true. Make components to show list because there is no landscape capture. Well, you know what? Let's just yeet him in, but tell it to not tick. Or not capture timer. Just, yeah. There we go. I'm just so exhausted. Okay. Good, 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 good. Sign none, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so... First thing we're gonna do... is... We don't want clothes. We do not want clothing. So today we're gonna be getting our character. We're gonna be trying to get weapons to work, basically, on both, you know, characters. So that's going to involve a bit of item rework stuff. Okay, don't freeze on me. Don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, I know you're trying to access something that doesn't exist. Just go back, go back, go back, go back. Ah! It's fine. It's fine. Also, why is the internet so shit? No, it's fine. Alright. How is everyone? How's everyone doing? How was everyone's Monday? So. Let's go to... Let's go to our item object. We're on a project, gonna have to go shopping soon. Shopping is not fun. Anything leaving the house is not fun. I'm pretty good. I had a long day. There's item object. You're not real anymore, are you? All right, now where is the... Let's actually see if I equip something, right? Equip. Equipment. Component. That's not a real thing. Anyway, equipment component. So when we, let's say we register this to one of our slots, where do we... Incoming item object, blah, 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 blah. If it's an armor object, then tell us what it's covering. If it's a merged item, add it to the scaly mesh. And set its item actor to be null. Item actor ref. Right. Cool. So then what we want to do... Yeah. Current owning act. So that's just getting set here. Right, let's, on our item object, new function, set owning actor. And this is going to take an actor input. It's going to set the owner in networking to this thing. Cool. Actually, what is that? No. Oh, actually, let me see what this does. This is part of Sov's replicated object system. Replicated object set actor new owner. If new owner equals new owner. Get owner, blah, 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 blah. And it can get world. Okay. So that's like... Yeah, so that is set owner. Yes, cool. Well, then do I have to... Yeah, I guess it... Okay, first I want to do just... Oh, but then I can just get owner, can't I? Well, if I set it here. So maybe I could do that instead of having this extra variable, which is the current owning actor, which is... like... Here's a question. Okay, let's say we have a character. And the character is wearing a quiver. And the quiver has some arrows in it. And the arrows are, like, visible in the world. So they have... So, the arrows item has an actor representing it in the world. Is the arrow actor the owning actor, or is the character the owning actor? What? Do you know what I mean? Like, it'll still have its own item actor, which is, you know, its own thing. I'd say this is the thing that it's, like, the highest thing that it's attached to. Or, like, for example, if there is a crate that has some, you know, weapons in it, and they're actually, like, in the crate's inventory, but they're still visible, you know, in the world. Do they belong to the crate, or do they belong to themselves, and they're just in the crate? Do you wear the quiver, or does the quiver wear you? Exactly. That's the question. I'd probably say for simplicity, it's the highest thing that it's attached to. If it is attached to something. Like, if it's equipped, or if it's inside something. Yeah, you know what? Let's fucking do it. I could do this as like a rep notified thing, eh? Because like here's one problem with the way our items, at least with the debug spawning of items at the moment. Oh, why is that? There is. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Inventory component isn't real. It cannot hurt you. Let's go find... No, not find. Where's browse to? There it is. Inventory component. Oh, wrong one. No, it isn't there. There is no inventory component. No. No. Okay. I can delete that. You know what? I'm going to save first, then I'm going to delete it, and then we'll see. Inventory component. And... Okay, you know, I'm not going to delete it. I'll just unhook all of these functions. I swear I did that before. Oh, no, because it crashed, didn't it? Okay. Okay, so the thing is, when we spawn a new item, actor, a new item. Let's say we spawn a sword on the ground. There's an actor in the world that's constructing an object for that represents, you know, that item. It's got all its stats, it's got all its randomized bits, whatever. But the item actor can't construct itself without the object. However, when we're replicating it, we need the item actor to exist before we can replicate the object to the person. So I guess we kind of just have to do... We spawn the actor, then we wait for the object to be valid, and then we let it create itself, right? So we probably want like an initialize event. So we want to call that manually. Like, we want to call begin play manually. Yeah. So basically what we're going to be doing for the next maybe week is another item/inventory overhaul. Hell yeah. Heaps of fun. Why is that like... There we go. So we need to replicated object component. Add unique to the get what is it? Objects. Get. What's the function called? Oh no, wait, we have to override it in the blueprints. So okay, hold on. Let's go to all content Prismatica. What? Whatever. Prismatica core. It would be in I guess it's in items because we don't use objects for anything. Well, actually no, I take that back. We may or may not use. Yeah. Okay. Alright. What's in here? Okay, so there is something there. Let's go back to core and go to... Fuck, I don't know. Blueprint class. Replicated object component. This is called the replicated object component. And then in here, we have our get replicated objects. I mean, this could be... We could make children of this component for, like, different things, right? Like, you know, have one that goes on the character that just pulls it directly from the equipment component. Or anything that they're carrying, or whatever. Or we could add them manually, like add and get rid of them manually using add unique and remove, which would... It's probably better to, like, actually do it manually. Oh wait, no, this is just... Okay, no, this is for the code internally to run. So yeah, let's do it manually. So this would be the replicated objects. Cool. We could... You know what, let's just make a new function called add replicated object, which takes in a replicated object. Replicated object here. Yep. And then it will add unique. Bam. Cool. And And then we want to duplicate. This is called remove. Replicated object. I'm trying to think of a way, because this could run into some untidiness, which would be if it already has an owner. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's in two lists. Just means that two things are going to be relevancy checking it, right? So remove item, blah, 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 blah. Well, okay, no. What we'll do, because the item knows what its thing is, actually, this is smart. Yeah, I'm really smart. Hold on. Item object. Here. So when we set the owning actor, we will look for the pris replicated object component. We add replicated object. Can I, like, favorite that? Good. And then remove replicated. Bam. Okay, no. So. Set owning actor if it already has a current owning actor. Current owning actor. Valid. 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 There we go. Alright, set owning actor. If that is already been set, then we want to get component by class from the current owning actor. This should always be valid. Well, I'll do a check anyway. Just so that, you know, if it didn't have the component, we can just say, hey, dickhead, something real bad happened. And we're going to breakpoint that. We should never run into that, but that'll be good. Also, something I've learned is to just set breakpoints when something shouldn't happen. Never trust that you're gonna see the print string. And it also, if you set a breakpoint on it, it'll show you exactly what it was happening in. So that's a lot more descriptive than a print string that lasts a few seconds because you couldn't be bothered changing those settings. Anyway, if it does do, then we want to remove replicated object. The object would be self. I want to remove it from that list. Sweet. And then we want to continue. So we should never have to manually, remove it from anything. We just set its new owner to be, you know, if we have a sword on our character and we're the owner, then we throw the sword. Now the sword is its own owner. Which will just make things a bit easier. And it means it can get garbage collected and, not be relevant if, you know, we move away from it. Yeah. Cool, I like that. let's now... Oh, I'm so excited to do multiplayer stuff. So after we remove the replicated object, we now set the owner as the new owner. Target is self. And then let's just, yeah, set this as that as well. Oh, I'm so glad to be working with, like, Bezier curve nodes again. I got so sick of looking at electronic nodes. Oh, look at these beautiful curves. Sensual. What else do we have to... Oh, we need to, add to the... Fuck off. We need to add... To add replicated... Huh? Ah, from here. There we go. Didn't I put a star on that, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Son of a bitch. Also, that needs to be coming from this guy. How am I going to lay this out so it doesn't look completely atrocious? Also, you need to go there. And you're going to do this. Much better. Alright, so then when these recombine... Ew. Ew, gross. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. There we go. So they recombine, we set owner as the new owner. We're going to get the... You know what, fuck this. Let's just call this new actor. New owning actor. Now, oh, now that's descriptive. Now we can just get that as a local. Bam. Get the pris replicated doodad, doodad, schmoodad. Get a valid... There we go. We... I wonder if... I wonder if doing this automatically does this. I'll have to ask Sov about that. If setting the owner automatically does this. Or if I'm just like double... if I'm just doubling up. I doubt it would, because there's no like remove. Anyway, is valid. Bam. If it is valid, then set owner as you. And then also add... actually, you know what? Let's do that here. We're going to get you into there. Replicated object is self. Oh, this song's a banger. The old Norse code. Cool. Right, that sorts it. So that will remove it from the other fella. Okay, so if we go to our... So if we hit play, nothing should happen, right? We shouldn't actually get any errors either. I thought we usually update scaly mesh, scaly mesh merging handler. Couldn't get armor mesh struct 8. Nexus num set mass. Oh, let's do this just for the sake of it. Well, actually, no, because they're remote. Update body type, blah, 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 blah. Then it has a rep notify at the end. Oh, no, that's down here on randomized body. So the body's getting randomized on the server. And that's sending that info to... Oh, right, because it... Yeah, no, that just shouldn't be getting done at all. So on this should be, yeah. Right? No? So why are you not getting this guy's stuff? Alright, here goes. Update body type. Blah, 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 blah. Do your thing. Right. So why would that... I mean, everything else is fine. It's just the set mass, which means that it can't... get the character movement for some reason? The fuck? Living bean. Maybe it's not being replicated. Aha. This component currently replicating. Should the network code consider it for replication? Only it must be replicating first. Yes. But we don't want to... We don't want to replicate movement, you know? Like, we just want it to... Well, it shouldn't need to replicate because it's on the default, the class default. So when the actor, you know, becomes alive... Yeah, so that's not the issue. Why are you... being a piece of shit? You know what? Fuck the mass. Who needs it? Alright, yep, they're good. Blah, 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 blah. X was not trying to read property. Living being, branch is valid. You're not info component, blah, 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 blah. Where are we getting living being? Is that this one? Do you want to... Do we want to do this? Is that what we're talking about? How could it not be... Wait, is this component? No, it has to be. There's no way this couldn't be replicating. Yeah, there we go. Because on begin play, this should get a reference to its living being straight away. I mean, I could just cast from the owning actor to the blah blah blah. Huh. Huh. Was that because of this, though? Why? I just want to die. Yeah, that's weird. Because it still works, obviously. So why does the remote need to do that here? It shouldn't need to. Because that should just be getting done by the rep notify. But then this guy's not getting this guy's thing. Eh, fuck it. Reticulating splines. That's like my favorite Sims loading message. Hey everyone, there's something mildly triggers me, also makes curious. Oh, maybe? Maybe you're seeing the old title? This stream's called Multiplayer Prismatica When? Question mark. Although I do actually need to rig a hair model before the end of the stream. So we will be doing that at some point. But it's pretty easy the way I do it. Alright, so now that we've figured out there's no errors, let's get an item replicating. So if we press G, we get a thing, right? And on this screen, we just get the actor, but it doesn't have an object to, like, construct itself from. It'll be in Blender. Yeah, I don't think you can even do rigging in Engine. Oh, unless you mean, like, cloth physics, which I hate. Cloth physics bad. Okay, let's... Item... Actor. Well, okay, no. Let's go to our test creator. So if we get new armor, for example. Construct new object, do all the shit. And then when all of that's done, comment. Right, because that's just doing the object and the other bit gets done on the player. Which is in one of my big debug thingos. Spawn debugs. G. Create new armor. Spawn armor actor. Cool. So that is its item object. Which just means we need to Pris armor actor, or just item actor in general. Item actor. On how would we do this? I guess we would do so this is now our initialize item actor. Right? It's no longer begin play. You can piss off. Ow. And then... oh yeah, there's so much bullshit in here. You can die. I do need to, like, completely overhaul how these are constructed. Let's just clean up. Bam. You're dead. Right, let's just assume for now that there are... actually, no, you know what? That's fine. I'll just blah, blah, blah. If it's thumbnail only... yeah, we just do it all anyway. Well, let's just not do that then. Because if it is thumbnail only, we shouldn't need to... also, that doesn't do anything at the moment, because we... that's another thing in C++ I need to write, is a new set mesh as, or set component as the root component. And then this is something. I don't fucking know. Cool, so this item object should be... you know what? Piss off. Oh. And then die. There we go. Let's just put you back here. Easy. So this just sets up all the shit and then sets the item actor reference as this thing. So when this gets spawned or loaded for the first time, the item object is getting passed in on spawn right here. So on begin play, this should have an item object set, right? So we just get print string. What the fuck was that? Print string. Do this. Breakpoint. Yeet. Compile, save. And we now are here. And we go bam. Then we have item object, armor object, C3, class, blah, 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 blah. Sweet. So it definitely has a reference to the item object on spawn. So what we could... ooh. We want to... Because here's the thing, right? On the server, this is all absolutely fine, right? This is all, like, absolutely cool, whatever, whatever. On the client, we only want to run this, initialize the item, once the object has finished being sent to the, you know, to everyone else. Do we want to... Item object? Oh, okay, so this is where it... This is where it gets funky. Because it isn't in all cases that we want to... Fuck. This hurts my brain. So... Okay, if we debug spawn an item in the world, right? That's super easy. We could just do like a multicast, you know, fucking do the thing and blah, 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 and whatever, whatever. Because obviously we have this replicated object component, which should be the Pris replicated object component. So... Unless we just let every item actor own itself all the time. But then there's other times where, you know, let's say we've got an item in our backpack where it doesn't have an actor representing it. It's, you know, it's then that character that owns that object and then determines whether that object needs to be, you know, sent to everyone else. I guess if they, you know, pull the sword out of their backpack and now they've got a sword in their hand and that sword is an actor, maybe then the sword can just be responsible for itself, right? So, basically, whenever an item actor gets spawned, it should then add replica. Wait, no, I fucking did this thing, didn't I, in here? It should then owning actor. New owning actor self. Fuck you. Self. There we go. Right? I mean, like, it makes sense. It's just not as clean. Which means that we... fuck. I'd kind of prefer if it wasn't this way. You know what? I need to wee. I'll be back in one sec. And we're back. All right. So, whenever we spawn an item, we need to have an owning actor. So, basically, okay, whenever we spawn an item, we're going to manually initialize it. And then... this is called construct item actor. So initiate custom event. Initialize item actor. Cool. So, oh shit. So, if we are the server, well, no, because just because an item's been spawned on the server doesn't make it relevant to the others, to the people. Or does it? No, actually it might. I just want to die. So initialize item actor. This will always require the owning actor. This is going to be of type actor, funnily enough. Bam. And you know what? We might even send in its item object. I mean, we don't need to, but... But, here's the thing, right? We might want to do that in here so that this can be rep notified. Right. And so a rep notify guarantees that this fires after the variable has been replicated. Oh, but no, because this is just the reference to the thing has been replicated. Is there a way to guarantee that? Huh. That's the thing, right? With doing multiplayer is like, there's no guarantee that the client will have the information before it needs to be used, right? Because, like, they might miss the packet, or they might blah, 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 blah. So, like, if I said this, item object is this. Ah. And this would do the thing, get the component, blah, 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 blah. Save and notify, blah, blah, blah. The item object. Which means if we don't expose this on spawn and set it manually through initializing it, and then this would rep item object. Well, no, that's not... maybe it would just be better to do an RPC multicast. But again, there's no guaranteeing that this has loaded on the other fellas. Like if we said begin play, initialize item actor, blah, blah, blah. Or, you know, if we just call this manually, this was a replicated event. So we only do this on the server. We'd want to auth. I'd actually kind of want the clients to be able to move shit like spawn shit, kinda. Nah, that could get messy. Nah, fuck it. So then that's gonna do that, and then, you know, if that, then... Oh, wait, that'd cause a fucking loop. What am I doing? Yeah, and then when that is... But again, that's just the... that's just the reference being set, right? That doesn't guarantee that the object and all of its properties have been replicated yet. Gotta love network. Yeah, exactly. It's fun. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. So this guarantees it's only owned by one thing at a time. Like network owned by one thing at a time, which is good. That's good. But how can we ensure because yeah, all these are set to... Nope, they're not. Let's just tell them to replicate. Current quantity, replicated. The item actor reference doesn't need to be replicated because it'll be set on begin play. Yeah. Well, no, but how... fuck it, let's just press the multiplayer button. The icon material and stuff don't need to be replicated. Current owning actor, I guess, yeah. So if we just said when item blah 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 is thingoed, item object here, construct the item actor. So that'll just mean that this gets run when the reference has been replicated, but fuck, I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right, character, this character, we press G. And okay, well, it worked here. Although they kind of fucked up, didn't they? The thumbnail generator. You know what? Fuck the thumbnail generator. Oh, yeah, because you... Huh? Oh, item object, you are... Suppose on spawn, whatever. Yeah. I get it. Fuck off. What? Huh? Spawn actor. Spawn contained item actor. Didn't I literally just set that to be exposed on spawn? So where are ya? Shitlord? Class? What the fuck? Item actor. Okay, now it wants to... Wow, kill me. Alright, something else should be broken? No? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Client wanted to imagine we're gonna put an item object on an armor actor that isn't an armor object. Ah, is that right? So the reason that's happening is in armor actor, we use begin play. Begin play, make it an armor object, do the shit, and then call begin play again, which then calls the other stuff. So... Wait, how is any of this happening? Because we... Yeah. We unhooked the begin play, didn't we? So that we could, like, manually initialize, right? Yeah, what the fuck? Bruh. Oh, it must be because this is a rep notify set item object, blah, 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 and we're doing that on the player character in our thing. No. We must be doing it in here. I don't fucking remember. Alright, let's just say... Whenever we spawn a new thing, this is the actor, initialize the fucking thing. Gotcha? Owning actor is gonna be... itself. The item object is the thing. Bam. Also, this doesn't need a armor object ref on spawn, because it will just cast when it needs to. Armor actor. Armor object ref does not need to be exposed on spawn. God, I wonder how many other places I've put that in. No, it's fine. Alright. It's back. We're fine. And this does work. Yep. Cool. Cool. But it's just not working on here. So. Trying to read property item mesh. Well, fuck you. Item mesh. Spawn actor. Item mesh. That... Oh! Oh. Ooh. I see. I see. I mean, I mean, generate thumbnail should be getting called from the item itself, not from our fucking thingo. Like, not from spawning it. Let's just say, fuck off. And then we also want to do that. Nice. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Alright, so that's all fine on our end. It's not fine on client's end. Now, why would that be? Item, actor. So, we are initializing. Cool. Is this... Doesn't need to tick. Although that should be... Well, when it says this component replicates, should the network consider it for replication? Does that just mean that... I don't know. Like that it's gonna be loaded when it gets spawned on the other end? Does it need to? No, it shouldn't need to. Because it should be the server determining what the fuck's going on. So we initialize the item actor. We set its owning actor to be the actor. And then we... Well, okay, no. Okay, let's do a test, right? Because I'm guessing that this isn't getting sent because it's already the same object, right? So let's just do a delay, just for fun, of 2 seconds, and then just manually call construct item actor. This should only be getting done on our fella, right? And then this should be... hold on. What's our flow here? I need some MS Paint. Alright. Alright. Server. Spawn. Well, okay, no. So we've got the server creates the item object and the item actor. Right? So the client is going to receive the item actor. It's going to say, "Hey, I exist. You know, I'm going to appear on your screen." So now we have an empty item actor. Then we want it to get the fucking... Well, we want this fella to send the item object so that this can now construct itself. You know what I'm saying? Give the client that info is rep notify. Yeah. So the problem is, right? We can rep notify when the reference when the reference is set and replicated, which is all good, right? But this isn't the object itself. It's a reference to the object. The object is getting replicated by... You know, this should just be getting done everywhere. Is getting replicated by a custom component that can replicate objects. Like, you know how actors get replicated? It just, like, does it for you. Sov wrote basically the same thing, but for objects. Which is what we use for, like, items. Which, you know, needs to be, like, you know, the gameplay ability system uses objects and blah, 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 that are auto-repped and blah, 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 blah. So, the problem here is... I'm not sure we can... I mean, maybe he's got something... An actor's children of object? Yeah, but actors are the first class that implements automatic replication. I wonder how Sov deals with it. Is he streaming tonight? No, he's not. Well, not yet. Ooh, my back. Let's just see if we just put a delay in there, if it will do a thing, you know? So we just go delay. Okay, well now they're not even not even making it over to here. Ooh. Access none, trying to read, blah, 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 blah. Access none, trying to read, blah, 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 blah. I wish it would tell us what client that it was getting these errors on. Do you have the info from a data table? Well, all of the objects are, or all of the items are, like, unique. So they have their own durability. They're made from, you know, X, Y, Z materials. They're, you know, this quality. They're blah, blah, blah. So... And all of the meshes are procedurally generated from different kind of sub-meshes. Let's not set that here for now. We're also going to just say simulate physics no, because we're going to let this do its shit. So this is just going to, yeah, make a new object, spawn the actor, and then do its shit. This is its own owner, yeah. So we press G. Okay, that's a totally good sign. Oh, you know why that is, actually. So because we're not setting the item object on spawn, maybe now we can actually rep notify properly. with it. Also, does a rep notify... That's only when it happens on the server, right? A rep notifies, yeah, just from server to clients. So now we're not getting any... The replicated objects just variable containers. Kind of, yeah, yeah. But don't tell me to make them a struct. Well, actually, no. They execute logic. Yeah, they do actually have functionality. Maybe a weak question, but how big is your package project? Usually, you can just have my project directly. Mine's usually like a gigabyte or two. What's Itch's limit? Oh, so what's happening here is... I usually just put mine on a Google Drive and give it to people. Yeah, I mean, I'm not at the testing stage, and this is my first game, so I don't have any other experience. So that should get done there. That should then do that. Sweet. That's a lot of backpacks. So yeah, if this is the fella. Simplest setup is server handles spawning / setting variable with rep notify, and then that rep notify run all the logic needs to run for everyone touching the item moving. So yeah. Yeah, the only problem is that the actual the sending of the information isn't guaranteed, if that makes sense. Let me, hold on. Does you need to handle the object? Yeah, so I've already done that, Joe. Sov wrote a plugin for me. Or just a plugin that he made. Not guaranteed with it. Well, so the reference can be rep notified, right? But it's like saying, like, the reference to the object isn't the object, if that makes sense. I need the actual object itself to be complete then I want the item to initialize. I mean, like, what I could do is, just keep trying until the object is valid. You know? Let me just try this. And not well, we can still replicate that, but just not do that twice. Because this will just get done on the server. Then sets the owning actor, so that should replicate it to, you know, everywhere else. And then adjust me again after I set my skylight to move. All the cell shader didn't show anymore. I have no idea what on earth I'm doing wrong all the time. I'm getting frustrated and that much, but it bothered me. Have you turned the cell shader back on? Question mark? Maybe the post-process volume has it not on there. What the... Don't PvP anything need not cheating. No, you can cheat a bunch more. There will be PvP, but it's not like... It's not it's just co-op. But, you know, I'll let players fight their friends, so it's not like it doesn't have to be cheat protected. Unless you've just got really shit friends that, you know. Okay, so that... Cool. So what if I then made this a multi? So then that should have had time to load, possibly, maybe. So we have a 3-second delay. They fucking disappeared. Ah, I see. Oh, you know what it is? Object. Object needs its stuff to be replicated. What do you mean I can't replicate a map? What? I just want to fucking die. Well, what if I nest the map in a struct? Why can't they be replicated? What's the fucking deal with that? I mean, I can get around it by just using twin arrays, but that's fucking wacky. That's wacky. Is there like a technical reason for that? Actually, that can be none. Just fuck it. Oh, durability. Those are fucking things. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, I mean, I can just use a twin. It's literally just one thing to one other thing. They're never going to be null. It's just armor type to material type. So, like, the metal parts of this armor are made of steel, and the fabric parts of this armor are made of linen. And that's it. So that could just be... Wow. Wow. I want to die. Armor... Actor, probably. Well, no, actually, this doesn't need... Yeah, this doesn't have any shit. It just has the armor object ref, which gets set on... You know what? I'll just fucking... I'll replicate it. Why not? Thinking blueprint, you can necessarily replicate a... Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I don't want to do that. I'll just use twin arrays. What was the other thing that I was forgetting to do? Oh. Hello. Yeah? Oh, fuck. Okay. Alright, and they are all matchy-matchy. Cool, cool. So, we have replicated objects. Wow. Because all of these colors and stuff are determined by the object, right? So... Call func map, find value, search containers. But yeah, of course, you fucking motherfucker. Wait, what was that search container for space? The fuck you talking about? Check if item should be fucking blah 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 blah. Yeah. Ja. Huh. Okay, so let's go item actor. Let's not put this janky as fuck thing in there, right? Well, actually, no. Let's say rep notify item object reference, which again I don't like. I'll need to ask Sov how he deals with guaranteeing that the object has been replicated before, you know, doing shit. So we can just hook this back up, maybe. Maybe. So what was it? G. Okay, so that worked. Well, I mean, it seems consistent. It seems to be working. Yeah. Alright, but now I've got, like, because I'm rendering two scenes. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, so the object is replicating. You see, we've got all the same clothes and shit on both fellas. That's Pog. So that means... okay, so that's good. So that means that the objects are now synchronized, right? So, like, this... On the client, this is object number 36. And on the server, this is object number 36. So whenever I have a reference to object 36, they both mean the same thing. Cool. Where's this getting all fucky in? Couldn't read item object in blah 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 is valid, set material override, item actor, blah blah blah. Go back. Is valid. What is valid? What the fuck are you? Item material override. So if it can't get that, it means it can't get item object, which this is getting done in. There we go. On construct item actor. So why would it not? Why would how could it not have the item object? Because like this gets done on rep notify. Oh wait, you don't need to be a fucking multicast, do you, anymore? So you're not replicated because you're getting called on a rep notify. Yeah. Also, Moz, how's it going? Human try. Damn, I think I found new quality content on Twitch. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Oh, fuck, I've run out of juice. I need to get back on the water. Hello, big girl. You want a smoocher? Can I have kiss? Yeah. Come here. Here. Oh, you're a good girl. Are you good? Can I have your little tummy? Give me that tummy. Gimme, gimme. Are you good? Alright, lay down. Ugh. What? What do you want? Hold my hand. No. I'm gonna come hang out. I'm good, Moz. I'm very good. Frankie, I am Aussie, yes. I'm Australian. Reflect on how to fix it, honestly. Have you... Okay, do you have a post-process volume? And does that post-process volume have the cell shader set? And is the bounds set to... what's it called? Unbound. Switch it back to static, the shader works again. Do you mean the skylight is... You set it to static again and it worked? Or do you mean the project? You disabled static lighting and then re-enabled it again? Skyline says, okay. So why would that be? I don't know. You're in uncharted waters. Have you tried restarting the engine? Okay, so that's fine, but then in here it's saying update scaling mesh, Wait, what? Couldn't get armor, blah 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 blah. Restart? Yeah, I just mean exit and then start it again. You know, reopen. Save, exit, and then load again. I couldn't read armor mesh struck. That would be from the hair of the character. Update, blah blah blah. Where the fuggles? Sorry, my girl. Where is that coming from? Yeah, scaling mesh merging handler, update scaling mesh. Armor mesh struct, blah 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 blah. Update scaling mesh. Armor struct. Here you are. Hair mesh. Da 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 da. Hair asset array is a replicated value. Object references, humanoid info component. Hold on. Well, it obviously is replicated because it's replicating everything else. And that is a replicated thing. And the rep notifies here. So why? 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 Well, no, because it's working. Like, they're all getting it. You got that hairstyle. And it's there on both characters. So why would it be? Huh? Huh? Is it because this isn't valid? You know, invoke component living bean. Okay, that's a weird one. Is it because that... What happens if I do something dumb? Like this? Something real dumb. Because, like, why would it not have access to that? Oh, there we go. Huh. So it... So what, it's just the... What? Wait, why is... Okay, so I'm this looking, and then that one... Alright, slow motion. Alright, funny hair. Funny hair. So this one's perfectly fine on load. The problem is this guy looks silly when he first loads in. That's because he's using the default hair. And so, oh, that's because I'm dumb. And I'm saying if you are the remote, then update yourself. But we don't want to do that. We want the begin play on the server to sort them out and then tell them to update. Right? As a rep note. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, no, but now you don't have hair. So why do you not have hair? Why do you not have hair? So server has his shit. Client doesn't have the server's juice. But why is that? Does the rep notify not get called when it loads the first time? Well, we can breakpoint that, can't we? So bam, that's the first time. And then on this guy, he's just loaded in. Probably. What's this time? What's that one? So what? What does that mean? So does a rep notify get... So, okay, let's say I've got a variable. That's set to notify replication. And I just join the session. So obviously I'm gonna, you know, if this is a replicated variable, I'm gonna get it. Oh, well, actually, no, does a... Fuck. Huh? What? Google. Unreal Engine. Does rep notify get called on load? Any joint connections will fire the rep notify. Yeah, okay, but yeah, so blah, blah, if it's the same and blah, 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 blah. So what if... I mean, this... Application conditions. Gotcha. Initial only, owner only, skip owner, simulated process. Fire every time they begin play fires. Yeah. Well, What if... You know, I'm gonna do something hacky. Oops. Now, there was... There's a reason that I'm doing this, right? This seems real dumb. But I did some testing. And... Oh, this is already there. Cool. Let's just say that this isn't... This is just a regular replicated variable, whatever. The issue was that doing like a so like, I could do a multicast, right? I could, you know, instead of going rep notify, blah, 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 update, you know, refresh the body of the character. The thing was that the replication of the needed variables wasn't guaranteed to have been transmitted before the multicast event did. Whereas if the rep notify was there, then it would have ensured that all the other variables had been sent across, blah, 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 blah. So this is fine, except that, again, this one hasn't updated because nothing's telling it to fire this. But all of the stuff is there. But then it's like, okay, if begin play is locally what's the fucking get owner? Locally what's the you know, living bean is locally controlled. So this would just be if something's already, you know, already thingoed, and it isn't us. So if something's already, if someone is already loaded before we join, it will now update them. Because I'm guessing when you're loading something and it has replicated variables, the replicated variables are guaranteed to have been sent before begin play fires. That's what I can deduce. So if we're loading an actor, all the replicated variables will be loaded before we hit begin play. As long as they're set for like initial or no conditions or whatever. Correct, okay. So... And then the reason that this is here is because when we first join the server, we don't want to do this because the server is the one that is randomizing our body. Actor and all its replicated variables are sent together and then begin play flyers on the client. Yeah. Cool. So I wonder if I can do this without the delay. You're a big boy. Wait, why? Where is that delay coming from, actually? Where did I bake that in? Because I was doing... Ah, here, because I was doing dumb shit. So now that this is a rep notify, then... That's fine there. You didn't get a thing. Why did you not get the... Because that would have been done on the server. Randomize the body. So there's some weird fucky... So if I did this, right, then it would work. Yeah. Why are you so damn tall? That's annoying. I don't want to do this. You know what? It's good enough for now. Fuck it. I mean, look, the better way to do this would be to combine all of this into a struct. But maybe I'll do that down the line. But for now, it's kind of like I'd rather not be editing a struct all the time because it just fucking hates that. It's just bad idea. Plus, it's just a pain in the ass. Like, you know, if I'm in the anim BP, it's like, you know, let's get the ear depth, you know, blah, blah, blah. It's like, gotta get it from the struct and gotta fucking, if I wanted to change it, I've gotta like get it and set it, and it's, yeah, big dick pain. Yeah. I think the only thing it's having trouble with is sending this. Because everything else... Oh, no, not everything else went through. No. So yeah, it had rep notified before everything else had been set. Everything else was default. Blue sucks are very annoying. Hey, that. Yeah. It's really annoying that you have to, like, declare them in here, you know. What's with the delay? Well... That's the bit that I hate. Because this rep notify, for whatever reason, isn't... So, server looks fine on client doesn't receive the server randomizing their body. For some reason, right? So, like... On server begin play, randomize the body of the client, right? And this only happens on the server. Well, actually, why is this set to run on server? That should just run... Yeah, it doesn't need to be a server thingo. That wouldn't have been the issue, but... Yeah, so basically the client isn't receiving its data from the server when it needs to, right? Because he should be this dark man, but he's very... he's like... whiter than I am. Yeah, that doesn't matter. But if I put a delay in there, then it's fine. So I don't know. Rep notify structures. Yeah, exactly. So that would work because it would guarantee that. Well, no. See, I don't think it's that this data isn't being sent before this happens. I think it's that this just straight up isn't firing on the client. Because it's, I don't know why, but... Yeah. Like, okay, let's say I send this, that then updates body type. If I put a delay here and it works, then we know that the rep notify is getting sent, but it just doesn't. I don't know. Huh. Set a bunch of replicated variables at the same time, they'll all send together next frame. Yeah. So it's sending the rep notify perfectly fine. Oh, is it maybe that this isn't valid? It should be though, because begin play is it? It couldn't be getting this before begin play. No, because no. Wait, can you call an event before begin play? Probably not. But yeah, see here now we're still default. Well, actually no, we're not. Oh, unless that guy's just really tall. No, I think we're small. Yeah, I think we're especially small. So we're the right scale. Because the scale gets set over here. Based on the... So some of them are there, some aren't. I don't fucking know. What the hell? So this is still on server. So server spawns player 2, right? 128 centimeters. Then player 2 is looking at player 1. Hold on. Yeah, and never... Oh, wait, the scale must be getting replicated from the actor itself, right? Because I think smooth... Okay, I think smooth sync... Hold on. I think smooth sync replicates scale for some reason. Smooth sync... why the fuck would I need to... No, sync scale none. Unless it just does it on begin play. I'm guessing that actors that are replicated send their scale, right? Like they do with their fucking location rotation. So that must be why the character's hella small. Because the scale gets set on the server for it. I don't know. Sometimes those can precede begin play on clients. Okay. So, yeah, okay. So I think in this case, what's happening is that all that happens on begin play parent is that we get a reference to the living being. So in theory, right, if I... Yeah, stop doing that. So let's just ensure that it is broken still. So yeah, really small bean. Not, you know, whatever. So so I'm guessing the reason it isn't happening is because this is invalid when this is getting called. Because if it's preceding begin play, then this is a null reference, which means it's just fizzling out. So if I just say get owner, cast to living bean, just fucking like that, then we'll see if it works. No. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'll be back in 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. Seal lock to the is valid. I think that was intentional. Because the... Oops. Oh. 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 Ah. I thought you meant this one. Yeah, I've just got a pea brain. Alright, let's see if it works now. No. Huh. Oh, because I'm trying to get the... Okay, what do we... Hold on. Let's do this. If this is this one, this guarantees that all the other references will be fine. Not quite. So the reason that it wouldn't be able to do this, cannot read character mega material, blah, 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 blah. Oh, right, because... Can this guarantee that all other components are loaded? If the rep notify can proceed begin play? Fuck, that's something. That is something. Although, it doesn't explain why, doesn't explain why over here setting the delay helps, right? Because if it was all on the client's end, and this was getting called before... Do you know what I mean? If it was that the client didn't have the info, then setting it over here, the delay, wouldn't be... Because the rep notify... Yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. Because the reason I'm using this rep notify is because if we set all of these variables on a frame, then this rep notify ensures that they're all sent before this happens, right? But then if I delay it on the server's side, then it fucking works. And then that living being node. Why can it not get this at the start? Anyway. Like, what is... Where... Excuse me, what the fuck? If that's not valid, then... How are they even getting constructed? You know, how are they even being alive? You know what? You know what? Fuck it, I give up. Game's done. See ya, everyone. Thanks for the stream. It was really no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, we'll just have to go with a delay for whatever reason for now. However, we do have items. I mean, they're not going to actually, like, the actions aren't replicated and shit, but... Okay, now that the item's destroyed, it's destroyed over here. That's good. That's good. One thing I do... Okay, so this is the... Is that... This all needs a bit of love as well. I'll probably redo this. Most of it. Let's just see, hold on, if... What the fuck? Oh! Oh, I was just compiling stuff. Alright. Well, you put a weapon there, then it doesn't... Oh, you know why that is, because we're not initializing it properly. So we just go to player, we go to our debug weapon generator thingo. Where'd our music go? Oh, it's just a new track. What's our... I think it's O for new weapon. For a new a weapon. New a weapon. Blah, 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 blah. Spawn the fucking thing. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need a thumbnail. All we need is initialize the item actor. With you are your own owning actor, and the object is that. And you probably don't need that delay. I fucking hope not. I mean, really, modular weapon should just be weapon, because the modularity can be done... Well, it's from its object, so, yeah. Let's just find references. There are no references to modular weapon objects, so... I'll leave it there just in case. There is the item object, obviously, which Is that not showing parent? Show inherited variables, do we? Also, the living being owner shouldn't be on the actor. You know what, let's clean up a bit. Love a bit of clean up. Hello, big girl. Licensing living being owner. Where are you referenced, my friend? Oh, excuse me. On equip, that should be getting done on the equipment component. Oh, cat. Excuse me. Excuse me. Cat. What did you... Cat? What the fuck? Wow. You gonna sit down? Item act. Yeah, so this should never. Yeah, this should just be getting done on the equipping component. And this kind of stuff should be getting done in the item object. So we'll just leave that for now. But then, where else do we use that? Oh, when we update action references. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hello. Are they... Yeah? I need to... You know what, I'm gonna... Whoop. Huh. This is not trying to read property. Owning item object. Owning item object. Where the fuck is... Oh, the attack trace component. Item attack trace component. Owning... Okay, well, this needs to be... Replicate the fucking... Well, actually, no. This should, on begin play, be getting its own shit. On begin play, create the fucking stuff. Owning item actor, which should be getting set on begin play because it's part of item component. Begin play, item actor, blah 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 blah. Owning item object, blah 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 blah. Oh, this should be on initial... Well, no, because the... Fuck. So all of our components... So because we're now manually initializing items, item actors, means all components on actors need to not be begin played, right? Because they might begin play before the items initialized. The reason we need to manually initialize the items... Well, actually, yeah. The reason was that the client needs to have the item object replicated before the begin play happens, right? However, So that's why we were... Can that just, like... I don't think that is real. Ah, fuck it, I'll leave it. Fuck. What are you doing? Fuck, here we go. So on begin play do nothing, server calls initialize item actor, right? This gets called manually. Because we need to set the owning actor and then rep notify the item object. So what if we just did this on begin play and this just does nothing? Because the... Well, no, okay, because the new owning actor we want to... I could... Do the arrows in the quiver, are they owned by the player? Or are they owned by the arrows? Do they own themselves, according to the server? Maybe they should just own themselves. Which means I'd need to... Oh, that's the thing. I don't know if this... Because now that I have the knowledge that a replicated variable is guaranteed to be sent before begin play happens, but the reference to the object... So the reference would be intact, right? That would be there on begin play for the client. But the actual object itself and all of its data and shit might not be. So it would just be a null well, not a null reference, but... Or maybe it would be. Now this rep notify will ensure that any variables that were sent before it, fucking blah blah blah. But I don't know if Sov's plugin, which does the replicated object based on, you know, what the owning actor is, blah 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 blah, would do a thing. What am I trying to say? The problem is that the object needs the actor to replicate it, but then the actor needs the object to fucking exist, basically. Or to, you know, to function as it's supposed to. I think this is only kind of an issue for, you know, like debug spawning items and shit. Although then again, that's just how we spawn items. So that's irrelevant. That's an elephant. So if we, okay, let's just get item object. You are now going to be, yeah, exposed on spawn. On you set the owning actor, fucking da-da-da-da-da. We can't rep notify that. So we're just going to manually call construct the fucking doodad. And I'm just going to make sure we set on player. That does have item object, yeah. And the armor has item object. Hello. And that's not going to do anything anymore, so... Fuck yeah. Oh! Something real bad happened. Well... We... Set owning actor, new owning actor... Right. Bam. Oops. Alright. Spawn a thing. Okay, that worked. Okay, okay, I can fuck with that. And if I do a sword... Okay. Alright, now why am I... Why is it calling me gay? Client 1. Because the map with the... Oh, the map doesn't... Because the map isn't replicated. Because it should be... It should be... there's so... Why... I really don't want to have to use structs. Can everyone... Yeah. It's funny, one of my ex-boyfriends used to call me that all the time. Could never figure out why. Alright, how am I gonna replace maps? I mean, okay, so like... Do I want to use twin arrays or do I want to use an array of structs? That's what that's the thing, right? I'm just trying to think how would we get info? Well, actually no, this is fine because this is a an array that gets generated on... I guess it can just get done on the server. So we just put yeah, this is only there to build shit. So this is fine actually. Was this where the error was coming from? Create attack trace array. Access none. Access none where? Here? No. Well, okay, so I guess create attack trace array can just be a server only thing. So item attack trace component. No, this is this issue. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. It might just be an like the order that they are thingoed in. Why are you... Hello? Right. Wait, just making multiplayer, just doing multiplayer. That's all I should need to say. That's all. All right, you know what? Let's forget about the attack. No, you know what? Fuck it. No, we'll keep that. So, I mean, everything that matters... Like, okay, we spawn a backpack. We spawn some clothes, blah, blah, blah. All of that data is getting sent. That's all good. Characters look the same. No errors. Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. If we go to... And so that was with... in item actor. So we're using begin play here, right? Instead of initialize manually. Just because we're just saying, hey, you know, the fucking... The item owns itself in terms of replication. I think that's fair, right? We've got a separate variable anyway for what's the parent owner of the item. So like if we have arrows in a quiver in a backpack on a character, then the arrows are owned by the character, which is like 2 levels up. But in terms of replication, yeah. Yeah. Is your upload? It's not. It's fucked. I'll probably... Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is 1K. Even less. Even less. It's just Australian things. Let's try this. Hold on. .666 kilobit per second. Maybe that will be okay. Oh yeah, we're not losing. No, we are still dropping frames. I mean, I don't know why the internet's so shit tonight. Like tonight in particular. Like, why would it be? I don't know. There's nothing like uploading, no, other than RuneScape, which is a dial-up connection game. Maybe Discord's doing so. I don't know. Yeah, I can't even stream at 666 kilobit. Ah, yikers. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Does anyone know if Sov is streaming tonight? Because I need someone to raid if we're gonna... Yeah. Yeah, I'm hemorrhaging frames right now. It's just not, it's not fun. It's not fun being Australian. Everyone used to watch work on RPG games on YouTube and Twitch. Gave up on it eventually. You're my last hope. Oh, I'll never give up. I'll never give up. I won't give up on you. Even something, 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 something. Something, something. Hmm. It's still dropping like 30 frames a second. Yeah, I mean, legit, it could be the spiders. Now resolution frame rate stream 1K. Well, I did drop it to 666 like kilobit. So like regardless of, you know, the frame rate and the resolution, it should only be transmitting 666 kilobits. Because it's not the the encoding's not an issue. It's my internet. Apparently it can't even fucking... What if... Hold on. Alright, check this out. Nice. Hell yeah. We fixed our issue. Well, at least we're not losing frames anymore. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. No, I take it back. I take it back. We are losing frames. Even at 100 kilobit. Yeah, maybe we have to go lower. What? Wait, can it not go? Oh yeah, no, it can. Yeah, I think 50 is the minimum. Yeah, 50, okay, 50, it's got a hard limit. Alright, fuck it, let's go back up to 1000 and just see what happens. Oh, no. Yep.